Is lesson 11 on marketing data. Now, just quickly go through marketing again, some of the big ideas in terms of this. We've got the level of demand for a product, but businesses should recognize that demand is not fixed because it can be changed either through branding or because changes in taste. Marketing myopia may take place. For example, if we were to look at Tesco's, and Tesco's 5 years ago was doing really well, and now it's losing money, and now the stores are too big, other competition has come in. If we look at banks, they're now getting competition from crowdfunding, different ways in which you can raise money, which is through the internet. Is the ability to segment a market, so therefore you can target that market that much better. Businesses may sell businesses to businesses, therefore JCB may sell to construction companies. The whole marketing ethics of business is now changing. Maybe food firms have been putting too much sugar into food, which makes it addictive, but maybe this is creating an obesity crisis. The attempt to always add value to a product, because the greater the added value, the more money that you can make from that product. The product life cycle, is it definitely true? Does the product life cycle always go like this, and does it always go down? Do we always need extension strategies? The relationship of that to the Boston Matrix, pricing psychology. Maybe we should be charging much higher price, therefore people think the quality is better, so therefore people will continue to use your product. Repeat purchases, and also talking about the price elasticity of demand. Now, when we look at the various demands on there, we look at the income elasticity of demand, and the income elasticity of demand may be +2. What this means is as your income rises, therefore you will demand more of a particular product. So if your income rises by 10%, the demand for that product will rise up by 20%. So we say that good is income elastic. The price elasticity of demand, if it's say minus 0.6, this means that the demand for the good is price inelastic. Therefore it's price inelastic, therefore you can raise price and make more revenue and profit from that good. Also, if you have a correlation of 0.8, this is a positive correlation. This therefore means if you advertise more, therefore your sales will in fact go up. The value of extrapolation, here we've got time and sales, therefore we would expect sales to continue to increase in the future. Confidence intervals, how confident can we be in the particular data that's been generated? If you have a 99% confidence interval, that means the survey must be very large. If it's 95% confidence interval, the survey must have been smaller, and if it's 90%, then it's much smaller again. So how confident can we be in the evidence that we collect? Just some other big concepts. How much should we spend on the marketing budget? That's data. Is it money well spent? Zara, for instance, does not spend anything on advertising at all. Building a brand, Richard Branson's very keen on this, that use a lot of public relations rather than spending a lot of money on advertising, although in saying that it does spend a lot of money on its social media, and then it boils down to an integrated marketing mix from there. So this session is really about marketing data, which is down the middle here, but it's also about keeping all of those concepts in your head for when you come to write an essay. Okay? Analysing a market, and then creating a strategy from that.